Okay, so in Zener diode, we will study the symbol. Sorry. Firstly, the symbol is similar to that of PN junction diode. Only the difference is this type of arrowhead will be there for Zener diode. So always remember, this is a P, this is a N type of semiconductor. P type has a anode terminal, N type has a cathode terminal. Okay, so this arrowhead is there. That will be the main difference between the PN junction diode and the Zener diodes. Okay, now here this anode is a positively charged, while that cathode is what? Negatively charged. Already we have studied in the first lecture. Again, the Zener diode will be manufactured by using a silicon or germanium, which has a two type of semiconductor, P type and N type. This is a construction. Anode is there. This is a cathode. Symbol constructions. So by using electron hole pair combinations, electrons and holes are positively charged, which are located at the P type of semiconductor, while electrons are negatively charged, cathode, anode is a positive. So electrons is a negatively charged, which are located at the N type of semiconductor. So by using holes and electrons pairing, the current is flowing, that is called as a Zener current. And due to Zener current, the breakdown voltage will occur, that is called as a Zener voltage. Okay, or this is also called as breakdown voltage. Okay, now we will see the working principle of Zener diode. This is symbol and construction, already we have studied. Zener diode. So in working principle, first we will study forward bias. This is anode, this is cathode. Anode is positive terminal, cathode is a negative terminal. Okay, so we have to apply the forward voltage Vf. So the current is flowing from where to where? That is from plus to minus. So that current is called as a forward current If. Okay, and in reverse bias, same circuit, only the change in the polarity. Here plus to minus, here minus to plus. Okay, so this is called as a reverse voltage. Again the current is flowing from where? Plus to minus. So that current is called as IR, that is a reverse current. This is anode, this is a cathode. So in forward bias, the IF, that is a forward current, is very small, and that current is produced due to the minority charge carriers, while that of Zener diode will work in the reverse bias mode. This one, a large amount of IR, that IR is called as reverse current, is very large as compared to forward current. That's why a large amount of voltage, reverse voltage VR, that should be applied across the Zener diode. So by using this one, the large amount of reverse current or Zener current IR that is called as reverse current, that must be equal to Zener current. That current will be produced. Okay. So after producing the currents, some sort of reverse voltage will be developed, and that reverse voltage is called as a breakdown voltage or a Zener voltage. Okay. So here this is a working principle in forward bias and reverse bias. Now we'll see what is the specification of Zener diode. First one is IR, reverse current, IF, forward current. Reverse current is equal to IZ, that is Zener current. Then VF, forward voltage, VR, reverse voltage. That reverse voltage is also called as a Zener voltage, VZ. Okay, these are the specification of which diode? Zener diodes. Okay. Now we will see VI characteristic of Zener diode. Okay, we will see VI, that is the voltage and current characteristic of Zener diodes. Okay, so first one we will go for the forward characteristic. That is a forward bias. Already we will draw it. Here this is plus minus supply voltage Vs. Then this is a pot. This is a current limiting resistance Rs. This is for measurement of voltage, and this is for the measurement of currents. Afterwards, there is a diode which is called as Zener diode. This is plus minus, here current plus minus, anode, cathode. A small amount of current is flowing, that is IF, forward currents. Okay. Now listen here. This is a forward voltage current characteristic. Sorry. So in this one, the graph, how it will be look. This is X, this is a Y. On X-axis we have VF, and on Y-axis we have IF. So the graph is like this one. This is a forward. Both are positive. That is, current is positive, voltage is also positive. So how that will come? Here I have to apply the supply voltage Vs. After applying this, current is flowing like this one, plus to minus. So current is flowing like this one, plus to minus. Okay, like this one the current is flowing. After flowing the currents, I will get the current here IF. This IF I will get it here, and this VF I will get it here. We will call this one as VF. Okay, in forward bias mode, that is plus to minus. In reverse bias, I will change the polarity, that is minus to plus will be there. Okay, as soon as I will increase this pot, by using this pot I will increase the voltage. After increasing the voltage, this Rs is the current limiting resistance. Rs is what? The current limiting resistance. This resistance will use to protect this Zener diode.